In Japan, there's a mini camper van going for 25,000 to 30,000 US dollars. Like I said, mini camper van, which means it's very small. Now, if you have 25,000 US dollars, here are three Chinese trucks that is suitable for that budget. So we're going to be going from low to high. So number one, let's go. And number two, and number three. Now you're going to find the prices of these trucks on your screen. So if you're interested in any of these trucks, message me, reach out to me, and I will connect you to the manufacturer in China